As per last class discussion, to work with Jshell, you need not to install it separately because it comes with Java 12.0 installation. So you need not to worry about how to download Jshell from internet and how to install it in your computer. If Java 12.0 is present in your computer, then automatically Jshell is also present in your computer. If you want to know the version that is installed, if you want to know the version of Jshell that is installed in your computer, just you open command prompt screen and type Jshell hyphen hyphen version. It will display the version of Jshell that is installed in your computer. In our computer, Jshell 12 is installed. You can run all Java programs or all Java statements in Jshell. For example, if you want to display any message using Java through Jshell, first of all, you should open Jshell. In previous class, I already discussed about how to open Jshell. Just open command prompt and type Jshell and press enter. So Jshell prompt is opened. To display any message, we will write as follows: system.out.println hello. Here at the end of Java statement, you need not to specify semicolon because in Jshell, semicolon is optional. If you are not specifying semicolon at the end of Java statement, Jshell internally automatically takes semicolon at the end of Java statements. Here you are getting output as hello. So here one point you should remember: in normal Java without Jshell, you are working with Java, every Java statement is terminated with semicolon. But in the case of Jshell, you need not to place semicolon to terminate Java statements because Jshell internally automatically takes semicolon for every Java statement as a termination symbol. So you don't worry about semicolon. Next, in Jshell, we will perform different types of arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on, etc. To find sum of 10 and 20, just we will write as follows. Here the result is 30. Here you need not worry about what is $2 and what is implies. We will discuss about them later. To subtract two numbers, we will write like this. To multiply two numbers, we will write like this. Like this, we will perform all arithmetic operations in Jshell. The key point to work with Jshell is Jshell contains set of commands. Each command has some specific purpose. Each command has some specific purpose. And also each command has some options. Jshell contains set of commands. Each and every command has some specific purpose, as well as each and every command has some options, and each option of command has some purpose. If you know the command, what is the use of that command, what are the options available for that command, and what are the purpose of those options, then you will use that command to fulfill your requirement. The general form to work with Jshell commands is Jshell slash command name options. In Jshell, every command is started with the symbol slash. Each command has some specific purpose, and each command has some options. Here options are optional. As per our requirement, we will take options. If you know the purpose of the command, you can use it happily. If you know the purpose of options, you can use them happily to fulfill your requirements. Today class, we will discuss about commands present in Jshell. Commands present in Jshell. First command, /help. So single line answer. It is a. What is /help? Anybody ask you what is /help? It is a Jshell command. Next, what is the use of /help? It is used to know information about Jshell. That is to know which commands are present in Jshell, and to know what is the use of those commands, and to know what are the options or which options are available for each command. So suppose I want to know introduction of Jshell. To know introduction of Jshell, you will write /help command as follows. Jshell, open Jshell. In Jshell, you will write /help intro. So here /help is Jshell command, and intro is the option of /help. Open Jshell. Open Jshell and type here Jshell. /help intro. So /help command is used to know about Jshell. Here you are specifying intro option. So we are getting introduction about Jshell and type enter. So this is the information that is displayed by /help command by taking option as intro. The shared Jshell tool allows you to execute Java code, getting immediate results. You can enter Java and so on, blah blah blah. So this is the introduction about Jshell command. Jshell prompt. Next, suppose you want to know what are the commands present in Jshell. To know commands present in Jshell, write as follows. Jshell just /help. So /help command will display. It will display what it display. It will display list of commands present in Jshell. We will see practically. Jshell. Once again, I am opening Jshell. How to open Jshell? Open command prompt screen and type Jshell. So here write /help. If you type /help and then press enter, it will display list of commands present in Jshell along with their description. For example, /list. So this is the command name and its description. This is command name and its description. /list, /edit, /drop, /save, /open, /var, /methods, and so on, etc. All these are the commands available in Jshell. So I am giving conclusion here. What is the use of /help command? This command is used to display list of commands present in Jshell along with their description. Description in the sense the purpose of each command. Description. Suppose you want to know only command names. You don't want the description. To know only command names, but not their description. Just type the command as follows. Jshell / here you press tab. One thing you will recognize, you don't type /tab tab. There is a key present in keyboard, that is tab keyboard. It is beside Q, alphabet Q letter on the keyboard. Just type what you type. /tab. So these are the commands present in Jshell. /drop, /edit, /env, /exit, and so on, /vars. These are the commands present in Jshell. Suppose if you want to know purpose of specific command, to know purpose of specific command. Just type the command as follows: Jshell /help command name. For example, if you want to know the command, the help of the command help, what, how you write /help? What is the command name? Help. So it is the command name. What is the use of command name? Display information about using the Jshell tool. List the Jshell tool commands and help subjects and so on, etc. So what it is? It is the description about which command? Help command. Suppose if you want to know the purpose of /imports command, how you type /help imports. So imports, this is the command name. What is the use of this command? List the current active imports. This will include imports from startup snippets. So that's it. This is about which command? /help command. Once again, just in 1 minute, I will give conclusion about /help command. First, /help. It is a Jshell command, or it is the command present in Jshell. What is the use of /help command? It is used to know information about Jshell. This means that to know the commands present in Jshell and to know purpose of each command in Jshell and so on, etc. So if you write /help intro, it will give introduction about Jshell. If you write /help, it gives the list of Jshell commands along with their description. If you write like this, it will display only command names but not their description. If you write like this, it will give the description of about the particular command. That's it. In next class, we will discuss about another command in other commands in Jshell. Thank you.